The question says that what is the area of isosceles triangle? Now you must know the property of isosceles triangle, that two sides are equal in isosceles triangle. Coming to statement 1, it is the perimeter of the triangle is 20 meter. Now the perimeter is the sum of the three sides, and in isosceles triangle two sides are equal, so it is 2a, that is two sides, plus b, another side, is equal to 20. Now this statement alone cannot give us the answer. If we get the value of a and b, then we can find out the answer. Now the second statement is base of the triangle is 8 meter. Now here one side of the triangle, that is base, is given. Now often student gets confused that if base is given it 8 meter and 20 minus 8 is 12 and 12 is the sum of the two sides which are equal, then 6 and 6 is the other two sides, and they will get the area of isosceles triangle by Heron's formula. But statement 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the question, as we do not know that this base is whether A or B, as a base can be the side which is equal to the another side. So we are not confirmed that base is the value of A or B, so we cannot take it and find the area from these two statements using the Heron's formula. Now if we see the third statement, that height of the triangle is 5 meter. Now this statement alone is not sufficient, but if we combine second and third statement and apply the formula half base into height, then we can easily calculate the area. And so our answer is only 2 and 3 together are required to answer the question. So don't be confused and don't think that you can get the answer by statement 1 and 2 using the Heron's formula. Thank you.